Hey guys, welcome back to Sudama Lab. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Windows 11 26H1 ISO file using official update package and install it for testing. You know what? Windows 11 26H1 is official release for ARM CPUs. But if you want to install on an Intel or AMD CPU, then you're gonna download it from the Windows Insider Preview channel, that is Canary Channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you a very easy and useful method. This is especially useful if you want to experience upcoming Windows features before the public release. But keep in mind, this is still a development build, so it's not meant for daily use. Windows 11 26H1 is early insider preview builds, currently being tested in Canary Channel. These builds are used by the Microsoft to test new Windows features, system level improvements, AI integrations, future platform changes. Because of this, Windows 11 26H1 is created developer version, and some of its features may later appear in updates like Windows 11 26H2 or even future Windows releases. So this version is mainly designed for developers, testers, and tech enthusiasts. So now to download the ISO file, open a browser and search for UUP Dump and open the website first step here. And here, scroll and click on the drop down, select 26H1 and scroll. And here you're gonna choose Windows 11 version 26H1 28,000.1719, that is AMD 64. Don't choose ARM 64. This is for the newer processor, and if you're with an Intel or AMD processor, then you're literally gonna choose this AMD version. Click on it, and if you're watching this video in the future, the version may be different, but you should have to download Windows 11 version 26H1. That's the main thing. Then just choose your language, click on next. And now you're gonna choose your Windows version. I wanna install only Windows Pro. Then just select Windows Pro and scroll, click on next. And here you're gonna choose download and convert ISO, this option, and then select this one, include updates to Windows Convert only. And then click on create download package. And that's it. It's downloaded. You can now close your browser. Open this PC. Go to download. And here you're gonna see the zip file. Right click on it. Extract it. Now you can download the zip file. Clean it from the recycle bin. Open the folder. And here is a script file. Right click on it. Run as administrator, click on run, click on yes, minimize this, and now we're gonna type R and hit enter, and the download process has been started. Now the script will download the files from Microsoft server and then convert them into Windows 11 26H1 ISO. This process may take some time depending on your system and internet speed. And when the download will be finished, you will see ISO file in this folder. Before installing, remember, Windows 11 26H1 is testing build, so it may have bugs, performance issues, incomplete features, so it's best to install it on a test system or a virtual machine. Avoid using it on your main PC. So that's how you can create and try Windows 11 26H1 using official update package. If you're someone who likes testing new Windows features early, this is a great way to explore what's coming next. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.